Hi, I'm Shreya Adishra. So today here I would like to present online theater ticket system project here. So this is let's begin with the introduction. So this is introduction of the online ticket booking system. Uh, in a structure of development, I have mentioned some process like planning, requirement analysis, system modeling, implementation, testing, and documentation. So here I have created a chart. It is a waterfall model which I created using the Jira software. In a requirement analysis, I also mentioned functional requirement and non-functional requirements. In a system modeling, I have created use case diagram like user use case and admin use case. In activity diagram, I have created the flow of the system. I also have created sequence diagram of login and registration of users. Here is the data flow diagram of the system, and I also have created database diagram which shows the tables of the database. In system implementation, for the front end I have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and for the PHP I have used and for the back end I have used PHP and MySQL database. So this is the index page of my implementation. Here I also have mentioned some images of my front end development. This is home page, login page, then ticket selection page, then payment page and confirmation page. Here is the backend of my system. And I also have mentioned testing like unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and manual testing, and I also have put a screenshot of the manual testing. Here is the conclusion and the references. So let's begin with the front end of my application. So this is the home page of my front end. When I click on the login button, then I will get the login form. Here I need to mention login details like ID and password. When I click on the login button, then I will get the pop-up message like login successfully. Then here is the layout of my front end. When I click on the book ticket button, then I will get the seat reservation form. Here I can select the seat. Then I will get the message like you have selected 8 seat and the price of the 8 seat is 18. When I click on the pay here button, then I will get the payment form. So here I need to mention some payment details which mentioned on a card, like username, card number, then expires date and code. Now when I click on the pay here button, then I will get a pop-up message that payment successfully. So this was the my front end. Now let's dive into the backend side. Here is the my backend side. Here is the this is a theater system setting. Here I have created table of theater username, seats, and action which are mentioned in a database. Here is the movie list. All the movie list are mentioned here with the title and status. So we can also edit and delete the movies from the here. If I click on the edit button, then if I have to change title of the movie, then when I click on the save button, the data will be edited. If I want to delete this row, then I also can delete the row from the here. So this is the database of my system. Here all the tables are mentioned here. Here is the